Hey guys, this is another world.
I'm sorry, but I'm about to ruin your childhood. If you hear this sound at 3 times speed and it sounds very inappropriate, it means you have a dirty mind.
There is a new world.
I'm sorry, but I'm about
Mm. This is the new world. Gummy bear chase you. This is stage 10. You see up so you can see the shape. Mm. This is the
Tail dapling. Gawa na kayo. Tail niya. Maligo mo rin na. Maligo mo rin.
this is my video guys.